Hi everyone. Well, here we are with kit number 2. That has come round so quick, really quick. Well, it has for us anyway. I don't know about you guys, but it certainly has for us. So kit number 2 is called Full of Love. So there's a little bit of a theme going on here, but we've made it a little bit different, rather than just all like reds and pinks, etc. for Valentine-y. Well, let's go in and show you, shall I? So again, you're getting beautiful box that you can use, and yours should turn up to you looking like this. If it doesn't, if it looks a little bit bedraggled, we're really sorry. It just means that the postman's had a bit of fun throwing it around, but you know, at least he gets it to you. So you've got your nice little message from us, and then I love this stuff. I don't know if any of you saw our snowman that Polly done on the previous kit made out of this. Absolutely fabulous. So keep this stuff. Great for packaging as well for yourselves. So here we go. Here's the kit. Right, so what are you getting? Well, first off, you're getting 2 exclusive colours that are just for the kits. No one else are going to have these. This one's called Caramel Macchiato. And you can't see the true colour until it's melted, but let's just give you a little taster. It is really beautiful once it's melted. Trust me, it's gorgeous. And then this one is called Skinny Chai Latte. And there we go. You can get a little taste of that colour there. So there's those 2 colours. So as I say, they're completely exclusive to the kit. Your other colour, some of you may already have this, and if you have, then great, here's another one, because I bet you use it a lot. This one's called Parissa. Absolutely stunning. It's got ultra highs and silvers and golds in there, and it's just gorgeous. Gives some really good texture. You're getting a full-size ink pad. Again, don't forget you can use your lid for stamps, etc. You're getting a sparkles, and this one's called Pumpkin Spice. Just want to show you those colours in there. Just gorgeous again. And you can see like there's a theme sort of coming here with the colours, so it all matches and blends in really nicely. Let's put those aside. You're also getting 3 of our fab foils. Now, someone on the previous kit thanked us for giving full-size products in there, and we will always try and do that. There might be an occasion where we can't fit the full-size product in the box and we're going to have to sort of separate it or something. We've got that planned for our next one, but we will always try and give you the full-size product, and this is no exception. So you're getting 3 of our fab foils. You're getting blush, silver and rose gold, and they go beautiful with these colours. Let's put that aside. Oh, let's not forget our little softie. I have tested these for you just to make sure that they were okay, and yes, you will like them. They're very nice. So it gives you a little something to munch on. You're also getting a stencil. So I've designed a heart with lots of little hearts inside. This is lovely as well if you die cut, say, a flower, and then place this over the top and stencil through that. So then you can just use all the little hearts on the flower, or another smaller heart inside. So you can use it for quite a few different things, and it's on lovely stencil material, so it's going to last you forever if you look after it. This one's a little bit different as well. So we're giving you cards, but we're also giving you a lovely little notebook that you can use. Oh, I love this little bit in the back. It's just the little things, isn't it, that please us. So nice little notebook for you to play around with. You've got 3 design ideas. Again, I'll give you a little sneak of those. You don't have to use these. You can use the kit for whatever you like, but that just gives you a little step up if you want to have a few little ideas. You've also got, for the cards, you've got 2 of each size, and someone last time mentioned that they would like 2 of each card rather than 1 like we gave you before, because if they made a mistake, then they didn't have anything else to use. So we've listened to you and we're giving you 2 of each card. We're a little bit naughty because we're only giving you 1 notebook. We had to keep the cost down somehow. You're already getting way more than what you're paying. Trust me, it's a really good value kit. You're also getting, we love this, the Sticks to finger lift tape. So you can use this with your foil. You're just going to use it for everything anyway, sticking things down. Sticks to are a brilliant company, so we're really pleased to have that in there. The other thing you can use with your foil is bonding powder, and we didn't put any bonding powder in this kit because we haven't given you any stamps. And the reason we haven't given you any stamps is because we wanted a packet with loads of other stuff for you. But if you check out our YouTube videos, you'll see WOW bonding powder shown on there quite a few times. And with stamps and the foils, it's absolutely gorgeous. It really works lovely. So last but not least, I'm just going to pop the lid back on. And don't forget, you can use this as a card front. So that's what I do. You've got these little guys now. Oh, I love these. Let me show you. Lovely, lovely little wooden embellishments. I do love wooden embellishments. So you've got, excuse me, a couple of hellos. You've got some lovely little wooden arrows. You get 4 of those. Let me just show you. They're just tiny, but they're a really nice thickness as well. They're lovely. One thing I will say though is if you're going to emboss them, you're going to push them into your ink pad, but just be careful because obviously they're quite fragile. They're small, they're quite fragile. Don't push them too hard. But if you do and they snap, don't throw them away. Carry on as normal. Little bit of glossy accents, and you can just glue it back together again and they'll just be absolutely perfect. No one will know any different. You can emboss back over the top again and it covers the little line up where you broke it. But next we've got 6 little wooden hearts. Love these. Look at these, they're so beautiful, and you've got them in different sizes. So you've got 6 of those. And then this, look at this. It's just a little love. I love the font that it's been done in. It just looks beautiful. And again, a nice thickness. But again, be careful. Don't push too hard. Or just fix it if you do. So you get 5 of those. So they're your little wooden embellishments that you can use with it. So I think you'll agree this is a really nice full packed kit, absolutely brilliant value. If you didn't join us last quarter, you can join this quarter and then you join up for the year. That's if you want to have a really good saving. If you want to just go with a one-off kit, then go with a one-off kit, see if you like it. They're coming out in February and we will be getting them out to the States. Just bear with us. We're just working out the shipment at the moment and we'll be getting them out there and we'll have them on the American website. So I know you're going to love it. I love it. What can I say? Enjoy. Thanks. Bye.